Stuff here is different looking than what I'm used to seeing, and it's a different texture too. It looks like just plain old. It's not cotton. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's Tef gel, and I don't think it's the regular the regular stuff they use. You know, the flax packing. I don't think it's flax. Can't see a damn thing. I don't think it's flax. So I've got a clump of it here. I could only pull it out in little pieces, you know, like that. Yeah, like that. So here we go. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see much of nothing. There it is down in the boat there. That's it down there. I've got it hooked up. The phone battery died, so I got it hooked up to the old car jumper thing. And I don't want to drop either one of them into the water. So there's the stuff, and I'm going to try and pull it out.